Know that the messenger of Allah is very the man of integrity, yeah, very good integrity. And then the Prophet ﷺ was the most self-independent person, self-reliant person. Never panhandle, never ask for everyone, ask for never ask about food from everyone. Always self-independent, yeah? And then he has many good influential virtues for everyone until now. Until now it's been 1400 years, right? 1400 years. It's been 1400 years.
Yeah, 1400 years.
So until now, we can still follow the Prophet ﷺ from our
Muslim scholar,
authentic ulama. So
Muslim
scholars, because ulama is the inheritor of
who has guiding us,
prophets and messengers, the warasatul, the inheritors.
Allah.
And then